Next is the, when I am talking about payment branded network. So I want to highlight here, there are so many payment brands are there, the networks are there. But when it comes to the payment card industry, generally we will focus on very specific, brands, because everything, around this, everything created by, because these people, these brands are actually promoted this. So mainly the major card brands, I mean, they have very well establishment across the countries, various countries, and also very well known networks, having the tremendous very good network. There's a Visa, Mastercard, JCB, Discover, and American Express. These are the five major card brands, we considered. Okay, like that in the local level also, in the local different countries also, they might be having their own cards. Right, in India it is a RuPay. I mean, some cards like, Union Pay for the China payment branded. There are a lot of different regional cards also there. Regional cards is nothing but the cards issued, any bank, any issuers issuing these cards on the particular local card level, local branded level. You can use that card for any purchase within the country. But when you are going out, the network is different, right? The network is different. So henceforth, generally people want to get the international network cards. I mean, this is a Visa, Master, Visa, everywhere in the world, anywhere you go, the Visa network is there. Hence, you can use that card in the various locations. But if you, just for example, if it is a RuPay card, the RuPay card, it is mostly used in the India only. If I want to use my RuPay card in the Indonesia, it may not work, because there is no RuPay network there. So that is a kind of situation. It's a network. Okay, the connections. So there are international cards, international payment networks, and the regional payment networks. Okay, is there? Then India. Okay, as I mentioned here. Okay, now it's very important to understand what is the relationship between these payment brand members to PCISSC. Okay, so this is very important.
Coming to standard, Visa, Master, Amex, they were having their own standards. Like, Visa used to have a certain amount of controls which everybody needs to put. MasterCard used to have their own set of controls. American Express used to have their own set of controls. So for merchants, it was increasingly becoming difficult to comply with different standards, because there was nothing. I mean, though there were many things in common, but if a company is doing business with all the five brands, then annually there might be 5 audits which are coming up. Okay, from different vendors or from different brands. So to overcome this, PCI Council, was formed. All the brands, decided to come together and form a council, which was known as PCI Security Standards Council. Okay, so by definition, it's an independent security standard body responsible for the development and management of PCI security standards on a global basis. Okay, so to reiterate, to avoid multiple redundant audits and multiple redundant standards and compliance, all the brands collectively, Visa, Master, Amex, Discover, and JCB, they all came together and formed a body called PCI Security Standards Council. The council is the body which kind of designs the standard, the PCI DSS standard, the 3DS standard, the PA standards, or all the different security standards. They are responsible for designing these standards. Okay, and they are highly and extremely supported by all the brands. They have kind of infinite blessings from all the brands, and they are basically responsible for creating the standards. This is in a nutshell, the PCI SSC organizational structure. Okay, the senior team, the executive committee, and the board of advisors. All in all, to the best of my knowledge, there are around 30 members in the PCI SSC at a given point of time currently, and this is the organizational structure. Executive director is Lance Johnson, and chief operating officer is Mauro Lance, Troy Leach is the CTO, and Mark Mezinar is VP of Public Relations. Likewise, Director of Europe is Jeremy King. Gil Hodwook is Senior Director of Certification Programs. Emma Sutcliffe is Senior Director of Data Security Standards. Laura Gray is Senior Director of Communications. That was Senior Management. The PCI SSC Executive Committee, okay, consists of Robin Trickle, Ed O'Neill, he's from Discover. Robin Trickle is from MX. Libre Vera, he's the chairperson of JCB International. Bruce Rutherford from Mastercard, and Karthik Patel from Visa. Okay, so this is in a kind of an organizational structure of the PCI SSC Council, who is mainly responsible for drafting and creating the different standards. Advisory board consists of various participating organizations. From time to time, PCI board have advisory committee, advisory persons who will kind of guide them in different ways as and when required.